In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Zoho WorkDrive. Whether you're a seasoned professional or someone just getting started with work management tools, mastering how to organize your files is crucial for efficiency and collaboration. Zoho WorkDrive is an excellent choice for this task, offering you a seamless way to manage and share your documents. First, let's start by navigating to Zoho WorkDrive's main dashboard. After logging in, you're greeted with a user-friendly interface showcasing various sections, including recent files, favorites, and shared with me. It might seem like a lot initially, but these sections are designed to help you quickly access the files you use most frequently or have been shared with you. This functionality means fewer clicks to reach your current projects or key documents. It's all about saving time and helping you maintain a sharp focus on your tasks. Now, direct your attention to the sections labeled My Folders and Team Folders. These two areas are pivotal when structuring your digital workspace. My Folders is the best place for your private documents that you're not ready to share, while Team Folders is a collaborative space where files and folders can be accessed by everyone on your team. Understanding the difference between these two options will help you keep your work organized and accessible only to the right people. To create a new folder, move over to either My Folders or Team Folders, depending on whether you want the folder to be personal or shared with your colleagues. Within the chosen section, you should see a plus icon or a new button, usually located towards the upper part of the interface. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu or a small dialog box that provides you with various options such as creating files, uploading documents, and importantly, creating a new folder. Select the option to create a new folder. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your folder. Here, it's essential to be thoughtful and specific about the name, as it will make navigation easier for you and your team later on. For instance, instead of simply naming it Projects, consider something more descriptive like 2023 marketing campaigns. This clarity aids in instant recognition of the folder's contents and purpose, contributing to a more effective organizational system. Once you've named your folder appropriately, you'll usually find a Confirm or Save button. Click it, and voila! Your new folder has been created and is ready for use. You can start populating it with documents, spreadsheets, or any other files pertinent to your projects. There you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've created a folder in Zoho WorkDrive, setting the stage for a well-organized digital environment. Remember, the key to managing a digital workspace effectively is consistent practice of organization, ensuring that your files are always just a click away whenever you need them. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.